Hello, you. How are you, everybody? Today discuss about of Ampere circuits law at topics and verify of its formula. From the definition of Ampere circuits law is vector B into vector dl is equal to mu naught into I. Where is vector B is magnetic field and vector dl is small parts at range the circles, and I ampere is that flowing in current. Now proof. We supposed here a perpendiculars of page a wire, which in the wires flowing I ampere currents. Again repeat is the I supposed a perpendicular wires of our page, and in this wires is I ampere current is flowing. Due to I ampere currents is around the realized a uniform magnetic field. It will suppose the circles of radius is r and range at a part small dl and center of radius is O. मतलब here is center of circles is O. Here is a uniform magnetic field because the radius is every place at the constant. Here is center O and small parts dl of distance is r. So here r distance at r distance at origin magnetic field or distance at magnetic field. I know B is equal to vector B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r. Now I want the vector B into vector dl is equal to mu naught into I is proved. It means I want the vector B into vector dl is proof that is equal to its value means mu naught into I. Now from the above, vector B into vector dl is equal to vector B into vector dl is next is equal to the vector B into vector dl is equal to means vector B into vector B into dl cos 0 degree, because the here is constant of magnetic field around due to the small r radius is constant all round. So B into dl here is cos 0 degree value of 1. So 1 is multiply the value of same also. Now from the equations number first is value of V put here is the value of b is mu naught into I upon 2 pi r. So mu naught into I upon 2 pi r into dls. Is that also here constant mu naught and I ampere as like as 2 ampere, 3 ampere, 4 ampere flowing in wires current is also constant, and here is 2 pi constant, and I know is radius is a value of like as 2 semi, 4 semi, or that 2 meters, 1 meters is also radius here constant. So here is that variable value of only the vector dls. So is mu into I upon 2 pi r is that integrations on to integration of dl. So next is mu into I upon 2 pi r. Here is the vector dl of integration is 2 pi r is because all range of circle the 2 pi r. So here is I side that retains, sorry, its size is that vector dl is equal to 2 pi r. So here is 2 pi r with cancel. So is value of only 7 mu naught into I is proved. Like at these equations vector b into vector dl is proof here is mu naught into I proved.